Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, so we've gotten some of the rainfall we need, some areas more than others, and we'll see a clearing trend with time this evening. Of course, there's that snow up around Minneapolis. Again, up to half a foot of snow in parts of Minnesota, and that's going to move up into Wisconsin. Sign of the seasonal change here. And this is going to get into a really active weather pattern over the next 1 to 2 weeks. Another system dropping here will move this way, and the front that went through just a couple hours ago will come back north as a warm front, and this all brings rainfall our way Sunday through Tuesday. That's really going to help with this drought. The rainfall today is nice, but it's not a big dent in it. We've got some more in the way of drought denting rainfall late weekend and into early next week, but you can see severe drought D2 out of most of the viewing area. And tonight, no rain expected, but it does get colder after 3 really record warm nights. Blustery this evening, then the winds diminish. We're down to 35 in Greater Lafayette, and 33 to 39 should do it for lows viewing area wide. Tomorrow's just a crisp, really nice fall day overall. 57 for the high, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. More clouds up here in our northeast compared to the rest of the viewing area. So mid-50s Logansport, Kewanna over to Rochester, 54, 56 Monticello, about 56 at Chalmers. We'll get up to 58 at Williamsport and Attica. So the weather for the frenzy looks fine. Typical cool football weather, low 50s at kickoff, and by the time the games come to an end, we'll be in the mid-40s. Saturday's a warmer day. The wind goes to the southeast. Just some high, thin cirrus clouds around after frost and some patchy fog during the morning hours. 65 at Ross-Ade for the Purdue Northwestern matchup. 63 Logansport to your 62 Winamac and 67 at Petersburg. So good football weather. Game time noon. If you're tailgating, chilly in the morning, so you'll need it's just good hoodie weather, and then it feels pretty nice during the afternoon with that sun and those 60s around. So you see the clearing trend tonight. Again, up here, some cloudiness tomorrow morning and some cumulus clouds tomorrow afternoon. And then tomorrow night, it's just kind of frosty and some damp fog around the area. But then on Saturday, some high thin cirrus clouds come in, and those clouds will be thickening up. So by the time we get to Sunday morning, we're kind of mostly cloudy over the area, and a round of rainfall will be on the move northward. This rainfall and some thunder comes through, and then we get a break later on Sunday as the warm front goes northward. We're dry mostly Sunday night, but another round of rainfall comes through on Monday, mainly morning to about midday, and then we get another break. And then this could be a squall line of storms. This will move eastward. It'll be weakening, but still could produce an isolated severe gust, kind of like the issue we had with the marginal risk, for this morning. We could be under a marginal risk perhaps on election day as that line comes through morning to about midday. But then if you're going to vote in the afternoon, it looks like it is going to dry out. And this is our next round of rain that will impact us down the road, followed by much colder weather. Around 1 inch to as much as 3 inches of rain total Sunday through Tuesday. Now that's going to make a difference with the rainfall. And look at all the severe weather risk to the west. We get a little smidgen of that by the time we get to election day morning and midday. But near record warmth on Monday after the morning showers and storms. Then it's 70s during the late afternoon, 70 on election day, upper 50s Wednesday and Thursday, followed by more rainfall and then progressively, sharply colder weather as we get towards mid-November. Notice the highs next Sunday in the 40s.